Hello everyone, I welcome you all in this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use pattern feature. In the other video, we have seen that how to use pattern feature just for sketching. Now I will show you using pattern feature how you can directly make use of a pattern option for creating directly a feature. Okay, I will explain you in the using example. So let us suppose in this create option pattern feature is there. So under pattern feature there are three options: circular pattern, I will cancel this, circular pattern, rectangular pattern, and pattern along a path. So I will show you first of all how to use circular pattern feature. So let us suppose create one circular plate. So use right click on this plane, then create sketch option, go to create sketch option. Let us suppose I will draw one circle, center diameter circle, select the center point, enter diameter as a 250 mm, press enter, finish this sketch mode. Then using extrude feature, let us suppose thickness as a 20 mm. So using extrude feature I have created one circular plate. Now if I want to drill circular holes along the circumference of this plate, so for that purpose I will select this upper face, then right click on that, go to create sketch option. Now along this periphery I will draw one circle using sketch option, select the center point. Let us suppose I will give diameter as a 15 mm, press enter. Now I will finish this sketch option, finish sketch. Now go to again extrude option, select this circle that we have drawn, then select operation as a cut, as we want to cut one hole, cut, then reverse the direction, then distance throughout the all distance select as a all. So that means throughout the thickness of the plate that hole will get cut, then press OK. So using extrude cut option we have created one hole in this plate. Okay, now if I want to cut similar holes along this circumference of the plate, then instead of sketching circle along circumference and then using extrude cut option each time, using pattern feature I will directly cut all the holes. So go to pattern option, then select this circular pattern as option, then one window will open. So already here feature is selected, so just keep it as it is, then select the object that you want to use for pattern feature. So select this. Now instead of using this in this timeline, there is one option that is extrude cut. So select this operation, then axis along which you want to create that circular pattern, then select. So I will select this vertical axis. Now similar to circular pattern option that we have seen earlier, whether I want along the total 360-degree angle or total circumference of the plate or for specific angle. So right now I am selecting this full. Now just quantity. So let us suppose I want 7 such holes along the circumference, then press OK. So directly 7 holes will get created along the circumference of this plate. So instead of drawing individual circle and using extrude cut option, using pattern feature I have directly created circular pattern for that extrude cut feature. Now I will show you how to use rectangular pattern feature. So let us suppose go to another window, new design, make all the planes visible. Now for using rectangular feature, let us suppose first of all I will create one rectangular plate. So again similar, select this horizontal plane, go to create sketch option, Now in this create sketch option, I will draw one rectangle for creating a rectangular plate. Let us suppose 100, press tab by 200, press enter, then finish the sketch mode. Now use again extrude feature, drag it, let us suppose 20 mm, then press OK. So we have created one rectangular plate. Now select this upper face, again go to create sketch option. Now I want to select again one rectangle I need to draw. You can use any cross section. Let us suppose enter dimension as 4 mm, press tab by 6 mm. So that is the cross section for my rectangle. Press enter, then finish this sketch. Now I want to extrude this cross section, so use extrude option, select this cross section, enter the distance as a, let us suppose 10 mm. Join option is already selected, so press OK. Now this extension will get created. Now if I want similar extension along the plate, that means along this row, and all those lines should be repeated in the column also. So we can make it, instead of using sketch and create extrude option, we can create it using rectangular pattern feature. So go to create option again, go to pattern, select rectangular pattern option. So one window will appear. Now objects, so again select this object. So from the timeline you can select this recent extrude option. Now directions, go to directions, select this. So whether you want along this edge or this edge, let us suppose I will select this edge first of all. So you can, two options will appear or two arrows will appear. You can drag those arrows along this and in the reverse direction, so along this. So now you can select how many objects you want in row and column. Let us suppose quantity I will make here as a 5. So 5 objects in one row, this is row, so 5 objects in this one row, and in column let us suppose I want 4 such columns. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can maintain or enter distance over here. So in the distance there are two options, whether you want to enter total distance, that means from start of the first object to start of the last object, or spacing, that means distance between two consecutive features. So you can, let us suppose I am selecting here extent option and entering the distance, that means -150 and 60 mm. You can drag it also as per your requirement, so automatically distance will get changed. So I have dragged this, then press OK. So similar extensions that I have created earlier using extrude feature are already created or created in the rectangular manner, that means along the columns and along the rows. So this is the use of a pattern feature. You can create pattern in rectangular manner also and in circular manner also. Thank you.